Hey everyone, welcome back to Grow My Savings. Here's a question. Have you ever noticed that even when you start earning more, your bank balance doesn't really grow? You upgrade your phone, eat out more, buy nicer clothes, and somehow you're still waiting for payday. That's lifestyle inflation, when your expenses grow just as fast as your income. Today, we'll talk about how to avoid lifestyle inflation, stay grounded as your income rises, and actually build wealth with every raise. Lifestyle inflation happens when increased income leads to increased spending. Instead of increased savings or investments, it often starts small. You get a raise, so you buy a new car. You get a bonus, so you move to a pricier apartment. You start dining out more because, well, I can afford it now. The problem isn't rewarding yourself. No, it's doing it every time your income goes up. That keeps you trapped in the same cycle, no matter how much you earn. There are three big reasons lifestyle inflation creeps in. A social pressure. You compare yourself to peers. If they upgrade, you feel you should too. Deserve reward thinking. After working hard, it's natural to want a treat. No clear goals. When money doesn't have a purpose, it disappears faster. But here's the truth. Earning more is only half the equation. Keeping more is where real progress happens. So, what should you do when your income increases? Here's a simple framework that keeps you balanced. 50% of the raise goes to savings or investments, 30% toward improving your lifestyle a little, enjoy the reward, 20% for short-term goals or debt reduction. That way, you're still enjoying the benefits of your success without losing financial momentum. This mindset helps your wealth grow with your income. Here are practical ways to control lifestyle creep. Automate savings. Treat savings like a fixed expense. The moment your salary hits, a portion goes straight to investments. Avoid subscription creep. As income grows, people add services they rarely use. Do a review every few months. Define your enough. Decide what level of comfort truly satisfies you, and stop moving the goalpost. Track your progress, not your purchases. Seeing your investments grow is far more rewarding than temporary upgrades. Remember, wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and grow. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings. If you're earning more this year, make sure that extra money works for you, not just your lifestyle. Hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who just got a raise. And don't miss our next episode, How to Build Financial Confidence as a Beginner.